right, boys and girls, here's what to do. You take a sheet of paper like this, okay, and you fold it in half long ways, like this, and try to be really, really careful up here. I think the more able you are to be very careful with things, the better the student you will be. You'll be a better student if you can be really careful with little details and small things. Okay, all right. And then find the halfway point. Just fold this in half like this. Okay, just like with that corner right there. Boom, right there. Hold this down, and we're going to pinch this paper, and it doesn't want to go. But, take the back of your knife and coax it. Not the front of your knife, because you're not trying to cut it. Not yet. All right, like that. Okay, so, and you can, if you want to, fold it all the way down. In fact, the first time, it's not a bad idea to do that. So, press this all the way down like this. Now, open this up. If you made your jig, if you made your folding pattern, you can hold this up here like this, and you can fold this corner up over here along this 60-degree line like this, and you pinch it right here, right? Be careful, right? And then this over here, keep rolling that and rolling that and rolling until you get to right there, and then press it down, fold it down, crimp it down really, really good. All right, now that's 60 degrees. So flip it over and do the other side along the edge that you just created. Oh. I don't know how many cups of coffee you're drinking today, boys and girls, but I am drinking, usually 3 really good ones. 3 monster-sized cups of coffee before noon. Anyway, okay. Be really careful. Press this down like this, and along this edge right here, and then. Shh. Sometimes I talk too loud. People say that. You're talking too loud. I know, I'm a monster. Shut up. All right, and then fold this along, make those edges, put those edges together right there. Fold that triangle in half. Okay, so boom, like this, fold this, and really pinch it, really crimp it really hard, okay? That is what you want to cut your snowflake out of. We will cut one out in just a moment, but I want to give you that very first measurement that we come to back here to make that very first 60-degree angle right there. I measured. Okay, and let me get a pencil. Hang on. Why don't you have a pencil laying here? I don't know. Leave me alone. Oh my gosh, why don't you have just a pencil laying around? I think maybe the cat's been eating my pencils again. Does your cat eat pencils? My cat eats pencils. Or someone walks in here and steals them. My pencils, and that's what happens too. Someone comes into your house and they just start stealing all your pencils, and you don't find anything to write with, and even though you're surrounded by stuff that you could use to write with, it's just not what you're after to write with, and so you're after that exact, here's one. Anyway, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Number 2 pencil. God, you can get them anywhere, and they're just such a great tool. Anyway. Let's zoom in here on this. I love pencils. Do you love pencils? I've loved pencils since I was a little monster. All right, this distance right here. This distance right here from this to this is 2 and 30 seconds. Okay, inches, or if we're doing this in millimeters, this is 71 millimeters distance between here and here. And I mean at the very outside edge of the paper, okay? Right. Do you shed when you do stuff? I shed. it's if you're a really hairy person, you have to deal with shedding. And if I were sponsored by a particular shop vac or the Roomba or something like that was constantly sweeping up my shed, that'd be nice. But I'm not. Anyway, you're going to fold this into that first 60-degree angle. And once you do that, then you set up the other angle. You fold it back like this, and then you fold it in half. And now you are ready to make the world's best snowflake. The most monsterly snowflake that can be made. You are now ready to be initiated into the monster brotherhood of the snowflake. All right, let's make some.